How to treat stomach growling after eating. Stomach growling after eating, also called postprandial borborygmus, can feel awkward and unexpected. While often harmless, it may signal digestive issues such as gas buildup, food intolerance, or gut imbalance. Fortunately, several simple changes can help reduce the noise. Primary causes of postprandial growling. 1. Swallowed air, aerophagia. Eating too quickly or talking while eating introduces air into the digestive tract, leading to excess gas and rumbling sounds. 2. Gas-producing foods, beans, cruciferous vegetables, like broccoli, carbonated drinks, and high-fiber foods can cause fermentation and gas, resulting in growling. 3. Food intolerances, difficulty digesting lactose, gluten, or fructose may cause fermentation and excessive motility in the intestines, leading to noise and bloating. 4. Imbalanced gut bacteria, dysbiosis, disruptions in the gut microbiome can lead to poor digestion and increased gas production. 5. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. IBS often causes abnormal gut contractions and sensitivity, making stomach noises more frequent and noticeable after meals. Here's how to treat stomach growling after eating. 1. Eat slowly and mindfully, chew thoroughly and avoid rushing meals to minimize swallowed air. 2. Limit gas-producing foods, cut back on known triggers like beans, onions, cabbage, and sodas. 3. Avoid artificial sweeteners, sugar alcohols, for example, sorbitol, are poorly absorbed and can ferment in the gut, causing gas and noise. 4. Use probiotics, support digestion and microbial balance with a quality daily probiotic. 5. Drink water in moderation, hydrate between meals, but avoid excessive fluids during eating to prevent dilution of digestive enzymes. 6. Walk after meals. Light activity aids digestion and reduces gas buildup. 7. Identify food intolerances. Keep a food journal to track symptoms and eliminate problematic ingredients. 8. Consult a doctor if needed. If stomach growling is persistent or paired with pain, bloating, or irregular bowel habits, seek medical advice. With a few adjustments, most cases of post-meal stomach growling can be controlled, improving comfort and confidence after eating. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.